had one question. So the question was about is it allowed for women to wear perfume or cologne or something? So because of the laws of the modesty, if it's like I don't know, like a moderate amount of perfume, there is no problem whatsoever. Especially if for your husband, she can do whatever, all other things, that there is no problem. But outside, like not to provoke other men, like as Rabbi Rubin said, like a sprinkle, right? Not religious men, but some other men that they turn heads. They smell when women pass in front of them. So that's big issue. That's big issue when women overdo it. But otherwise, there is no problem. But the problem is, I would say, the problem is the man, because that's what women usually do, and for men it is forbidden to go in the ways of women. So whatever women do, it's normal for them. For men, absolutely forbidden.